there's many different ways that you could leverage your NFTs in crypto. A lot of people want to know, what can I do with my NFTs and my crypto if I don't want to sell it, but I want to make sure I can do something with it? One of my favorite ways to leverage is to borrow against your account or your assets. So that's when you can use your account that you built and borrow money against it, then pay yourself back at a certain interest rate, which is better than having to sell everything you own, losing your positions, losing your assets in order to get a little liquid cash. This is a better option. Another way to leverage your NFTs is to use the NFT IP. That's the intellectual property. When you own the intellectual property of an NFT collection or of anything, you can do what you want to do with it. Not all NFT collections grant IP rights with what you buy, but if you buy one that does give IP, you're able to start a brand with it. You could start a clothing line, a drink, a club, restaurant, whatever you want to do with the IP, it's up to you. And even license it. You could license your NFTs to different companies that want to do street advertisements or anything that they want to license your NFT for, you can license it and make money from it. And of course, one of the most basic things you could do with your NFT or crypto is sell it. If you want to get your liquid back, just sell it back and get your liquid and you're fluid. Simple. It's time for this week's meta jargon. Diamond hands. Diamond hands don't have nothing to do with being bust down all over your hands. Diamond hands has everything to do with being a strong holder. It's someone that is not gonna sell no matter what. You got diamond hands. Fiat. A lot of people in the NFT and crypto space like to call regular money fiat because it is the fiat currency. It's not a cryptocurrency, it's fiat. Market cap. Market cap is the total value of an asset based on its current market price. To find the market cap in crypto, you multiply the coins by the circulating supply. Market cap.